Hey guys, what's up? It is Andrew from NexGen IT Solutions, and welcome back to the first official video that's not the channel trailer. We're going to be talking about myself and just stuff about me. So my name's Andrew. As the channel trailer said, I am 21 years old as of filming this in March of 2024, and it has been my dream to start an MSP for quite a few years now. I'm currently working in an MSP. It's the second MSP I've ever worked at, and I absolutely love it. I've only been a tier 1 technician, but I have my A+ certification. I have my ITF Plus cert, and I'm taking my, this year, I'm planning on taking my Network Plus, which is in a week from now, my Security Plus, and then 2 Microsoft certifications that will put me on the map for success. And then I'm hopefully taking 3 certs a year until I start my company, so that way I have like 15 certifications just to prove that I do have the knowledge to be in this space. So let's talk about company structure. For those of you who are in the Michigan, in the Tennessee, Kentucky, Arkansas even area, and you want to hire my services years down the road, or if you're watching this in a few years and I already have my business up and running, which you should probably know about. Website, nexgenitsolutions.net. It only has a landing page. It says coming in 2025. I'm planning on releasing the full site at the very end of 2025 because that'll be essentially a year and a half from now when I have a lot better of an idea of when I will be moving, when I'll be starting my first client list and stuff like that. So for those of you who want to know more about company structure, there'll be another video on that. But some more information about myself. Again, 21, I am married to my lovely wife, Kylie. She will also be helping me out with the accounting of this company for the first couple years on. So if you guys will probably not get phone calls from her, but she'll be the ones that's sending you out invoices and stuff like that. So she doesn't have her own email. My email is andrew@nexgenitsolutions.net. You can shoot me a message there. But I would preferably, if people use either info@nexgenitsolutions.net, that still goes straight to me. It's just a way of me being able to segregate the emails that I get based on what we have. So we got like information, support, which goes through our ticketing system, which we do not have set up yet. So I don't even have a support email set up. And then there's also a sales for those of you who want to email me directly for sales opportunities, is sales@nexgenitsolutions.net. And information is just more information. Maybe if you want to schedule a consultation before we get into sales, then we can also just migrate that over to a sales pitch. So let's see more about myself. Now, since we're getting into the actual video topic here, is I've been in love with technology since I was very little. I mean, there's pictures of me like 2 years old sitting on my dad's computer with like a little text that says like future computer whiz written on the paper, and it was really cool to see that even flourishing now, I am in way into technology than I ever thought I'd be. And so I've lived in Michigan almost my whole entire life. I did I'll live out of the country for a few years due to my father's job, but we're not going to get into that at all. But I've pretty much been in Michigan my whole entire life. I live in the Flint area, so I'm very aware of my surroundings. I am a very big people person. I do love talking to people. I game a lot on my off time, so that is something that I also like to do. And I will also shout out my other channel, Thunderbolt Interactive. It is another company I own. It is an indie game studio based out of Michigan, although when we move, I'll probably end up having the place and address. We go back to our registered agent, but that's besides the point. We are that company is releasing a game called Crew and the Wrath of Aethys. It is an open world RPG coming out in a couple years. I'll just leave that in the description below. And I mean, a lot of sponsorship pages will be from me, which is just a way for me being able to cross promote my companies. So that is a little bit about myself. If anyone has any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below and I can answer those. But I'm gonna get on to the next video since I'm doing a mass filming tonight. because I want to get started on a project that I want to take you guys on a log ride on as I start up company infrastructure. So, hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.